Okay, and then 12, 2.13. It kind of looks like the same thing. Now you got to write a simplified expression for both the area and perimeter. Now we did perimeter in the last one. Now we're going to put another thing with it. So I have this triangle, or this rectangle. They're all going to be rectangles. So you got 3x plus 6 and 7. So 7, 3x plus 6. Now here's what you're going to do on these problems. I'll do one problem on each page. So perimeter, area. Perimeter is what we were just doing. We have a 7. New side, so plus 3x plus 6. Plus 7. I write a plus when I move to a new side. 3x plus 6. Okay, no dots, no minuses. Okay, so I'm ready to roll. P, M, D, A. No on perimeter. That's going to change on area, but so far. So x, 3 plus 3 is 6. Now, constant 7 plus 6 plus 7 plus 6. Take a calculator. Got 26. So 6x plus 26 units. Now area, let me explain area. You don't need to write this down. Here's how you find area. Let's say I have 4 units here and 4 units here. Area is the number of squares inside. So 4 here means 4, or sorry, that was crappy. Okay, I won't draw it so big. So 4, 4. So it means you have like 4 equal squares across here. This 4 is 4 equal squares across here. Okay. Now if I filled in the rest of it, you know, don't attempt to do this. See, I'm not good at it myself. How many squares are in there? Well, if you count them up, it's 16. Well, without drawing all the squares, I could just multiply 4 by 4. That's 16. So that's area, finding the number of square units inside. So area is, you can just times them. And this side is called the length, and this side is called the width. Length times width. Now, let's talk about this. So area, I make 2 parentheses. You got to get the parentheses. Put a little L above that one, a little W there. All you're doing is taking one of each side. So it doesn't matter if you mix them up, okay? So 3x plus 6 is the length, and then 7 is the width. There, it is a times dot. Okay, minus is not an issue, and I already have my dot. So I go P, M, D, A. Parentheses, you have them, but that just has a 7. That has more than a number, but you have X in there, so you can't simplify it. Multiply, yeah. Here's what you need to do on the multiplication. Go to the number that is all by itself, the 7, okay? You need to circle the plus, and you need to distribute 7 to 6 and 7 to 3x. So 7, 7 times 3x times 6. So that's 21x, and that's 42. So you drop your plus sign down, 3x times, now I have 21x, 42. There will be no division, and you can't add, because that has an x, that doesn't. Okay. Now, here's how you label area. Units to the second power. Okay. Area is units to the second power. Okay, next problem. Okay, so I've got 10 minus 2x. I don't like the minus, plus negative that. 4, 10 plus negative 2x, and then 4. Now I don't have to worry about minuses. So perimeter, area. So perimeter, we got 4. When I move to a new side, I add. Remember, perimeter is adding the sides. Add all the sides. Add sides. And area is the length times the width. So LW. So adding the sides. So you got 4. You move to a new side, plus 10 plus negative 2x. Plus 4 plus 10 plus negative 2x. Okay, dots, you wouldn't have any. Okay, there'd be nowhere you'd put a dot. Not between the 2 and the x, because you're not putting anything in for the x. Okay, only dots are only going to be with parentheses here in this unit. Okay, and there's no parentheses here. Okay, so we're fixed. We're ready to roll. PMDA. Parentheses, don't have any. Multiplying, nope. Division, just adding. So I put x, negative 2, that's negative 4. Numbers without x, 4 plus 10 plus 4 plus 10. That ends up at 28. Units, just units on perimeter. Okay, area is a multiplication problem. Length times width. Just set that up. So length, 10 plus negative 2x, and then the width is 4. Okay, the dots and the minuses are already taken care of. Okay, parentheses, a 4 here, and then this has x. So I'm not going to do anything at this moment about the parentheses. Now there's a dot. Okay. The number that's by itself is 4, and in the other parentheses you got that plus, so you need to distribute your 4. 4 to negative 2x, and 4 to 10. So 4, 4. And it doesn't matter what you do first, just do the one closest, negative 2x and 10. If you actually did the 10, negative 2x, that's fine, man. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8 with x. 4 times 10 is 40, so plus. So I write negative 8x plus 40. And these parentheses, they're gone. I don't have anything else. Multiplying, no division, and I can't add. That's the end of the problem. Units to the second power. Square units is what that's called. Square means second power. Okay, next one. So you got 7, 3x, minus 2. I hate minuses, plus negative that. Plus negative that. So perimeter, area. Perimeter is adding the sides. The area is taking the length times the width. You need parentheses for that. Okay, so we have 3x plus negative 2 plus 7 plus 3x plus negative 2 plus 7. Okay, now I do PMDA. I don't need to worry about the dots. The dots are already set up, so the minus is already taken care of. So parentheses, nope, 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 just adding. Only certain things though. 3x and 3x, that'd be 6x. And then all the numbers that aren't multiplied by x, okay? Those are constants. So, negative 2 plus 7 plus negative 2 plus 7, I got 10. 6x plus 10 units. Length times width. 7, 3x plus negative 2. Parentheses, can't do anything about them. Yeah, you got a multiplication. So the number by itself I distribute. Okay, there's the plus. That's a negative 2, remember. Okay, 7 to 3x, 7 to negative 2. So 7, 7 times 3x times negative 2. So it's 21x and negative 14. So that plus is still there, but now it's now 21x plus negative 14. Out. No division, no addition. Okay. Units to the second power. Okay. Okay, last problem. Hope I can get it before my time runs out here. Okay. Here's the rectangle. You've got 9x minus 2 plus negative that. Okay. Then 8. Then 8. 9x plus negative 2. So perimeter area. Okay. Add sides. And then length times width. Okay. 8. Plus 9x plus negative 2 plus 8 plus 9x plus negative 2. PMDA. No, no, no. Adding, I put x. 9 and 9 is 18. Add the 9s. Then you add the 8, the negative 2, the 8, negative 2. Probably on a calculator it's 12 units. Okay, length, 9x plus negative 2 in the first parentheses and 8. PMDA. Can't do anything about the parentheses, just an 8 and there's an x. Multiplication. Yeah, there's a multiplication, so we take the number by itself and distribute it, okay, across the plus sign. So 8 times 9x times negative 2. So that's 72x, and that's negative 16. So drop your plus. That didn't go away because I wasn't plussing. That plus is still there. 72x, negative 16. Now both the parentheses are gone, nothing else. They vanished. It became that. No division. Then adding, you can't add that as x, that does not. Okay. Units to the second power.